Hello, in today's video we're going to learn how to set up a threaded discussion. So first you want to get to your course page and the week that contains the threaded discussion. Then go ahead and access the forum by clicking on it. And once you click on the threaded discussion, you'll see this cogwheel here. You'll want to click the cogwheel. And once you click the cogwheel, there's an Edit Settings mode. Click Edit Settings. And Edit Settings will allow you to edit anything that you have set up. Now once you're here, you can click Expand All. This will allow you to see every setting. You can change the name or the description of the forum. And you can see here forum type, which will say a single simple discussion. By default, you can change that to anything that you want. A Q&A forum, students cannot see other people's posts until they post something themselves. Standard forum for general use. It's going to appear kind of like a grid format where they just see clickable links to particular posts that they can click on when students have answered. And a single simple discussion, if you've worked with our threaded discussions before, is the most common, where it has a initial post and you can see indented replies. Now subscription and tracking, you can have optional subscription, forced subscription, auto subscription, subscription disabled. Subscription disabled means that no one will receive emails for this forum, and forced subscription means everyone will. Auto subscription means you can still unsubscribe at any time. That is, they're automatically signed up but they can get out at any time. And then, of course, optional subscription, meaning the participants can choose whether or not to be subscribed. That is the norm. Read tracking is really good, I think, for students to be able to see whether or not they have any unread posts in the forum. It's automatically set to optional, so only if you select to turn it off will it turn off. It'll just be normal. An option for students to have that doesn't force them to do it. If you scroll down, you will see Restrict Access. You can add restrictions here by date, grade, user profile. I would not use user profile. It can be very messy, so the best thing to do is probably restriction by date. It prevents students from having access until a specific time. You can say from March 12th, 2020, date, and we can change that date until March 20th. So only in the date range that I'm providing, from the 12th of March to the 20th of March, would that be accessible. So once you have done that, you can go ahead and click Save and Return to Course or Save and Display. You'll see it. Save and Return to Course is the norm. I'm going to hit Cancel because I'm not actually saving anything. And that's the basics on setting up the settings for your threaded discussion. If you have any questions or concerns, contact us via email at Distance Learning. God bless.